The top 7 largest birds of prey. The world is home to several impressive and large birds of prey. Here are 7 of the largest birds of prey, known for their size and formidable hunting abilities. 1. Andean Condor, Vultur gryphus. The Andean Condor is one of the largest flying birds in the world. It has a wingspan that can exceed 10.5 feet, 2 meters, and can weigh up to 33 pounds, 15 kilograms. 2. Bald eagle, Haliaeetus leucocephalus. The bald eagle is the national bird and symbol of the United States. It has a wingspan ranging from 6 to 7.5 feet, 1.8 to 2.3 meters, and can weigh up to 14 pounds, 3 kilograms. 3. Steller sea eagle, Haliaeetus pelagicus. Steller sea eagle is one of the largest and heaviest eagles in the world. It can have a wingspan of up to 8.2 feet, 5 meters, and weigh around 20 pounds, 9 kilograms. 4. Harpy eagle, Harpy Eagle. The harpy eagle is known for its powerful build and large size. It has a wingspan of about 6.5 feet, 2 meters, and can weigh up to 20 pounds, 9 kilograms. 5. Cinereous vulture, Aegyptius monachus. The cinereous vulture, also known as the Eurasian black vulture, is one of the largest vulture species. It has a wingspan of around 9.5 feet, 9 meters, and can weigh up to 31 pounds, 14 kilograms. 6. California condor, Gymnogyps californianus. The California condor is a critically endangered species and is among the largest flying birds in North America. It has a wingspan of approximately 9.5 feet, 9 meters. 7. Bearded vulture, Gypaetus barbatus. The bearded vulture, also known as the lammergeier, is a large bird of prey with a wingspan of about 7.5 feet, 3 meters. It is known for its distinctive appearance and feeding habits. These magnificent birds are not only impressive in size but also play important roles in their ecosystems as apex predators. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.